What if I told you that the reason your muscles aren't getting stronger has nothing to do with how hard you work out? Here's the truth. Every time you exercise, lift groceries, climb stairs, or even go for a long walk, your muscles develop tiny microscopic tears. That's completely normal. In fact, those tiny tears are how stronger muscles are built. But here's the problem. If you're not eating the right protein foods afterward, those muscles can't repair properly. Instead of getting stronger, your recovery slows down. You wake up sore. Your body feels weak. Your energy drops. And over time, you may actually begin losing muscle mass, especially after the age of 50 or 60. The good news? Nature has already provided some of the best muscle repairing foods. They're affordable, easy to find, and backed by nutrition science. Tonight, I'm going to show you the top 5 best protein foods that help repair damaged muscle fibers faster, reduce soreness, improve recovery, and help you stay stronger as you age. And make sure you stay until number 1, because it's one of the most complete muscle-building proteins you can eat. Number 1, chicken breast. Chicken breast is one of the best protein foods you can eat if your goal is to repair muscles quickly and regain strength after physical activity. Whether you've just finished a workout, spent hours walking, lifted heavy objects, or simply want to stay strong as you get older, your muscles need high-quality protein to rebuild the tiny muscle fibers that naturally break down during movement. Chicken breast provides exactly that. It delivers a rich source of complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids your body cannot produce on its own. These amino acids act as the building blocks your muscles need to recover, grow, and become stronger over time. One of the most important amino acids found in chicken breast is leucine. Nutrition experts recognize leucine as one of the key nutrients that helps activate muscle protein synthesis, the natural process your body uses to repair damaged muscle tissue after exercise. Without enough leucine, your muscles recover more slowly, and it becomes harder to maintain strength as you age. Another reason chicken breast is such a smart choice is that it is naturally lean. Unlike processed meats or fatty cuts of beef, skinless chicken breast provides plenty of protein with very little saturated fat. This allows your body to focus on repairing muscles without consuming excess calories or unhealthy fats that may increase inflammation. Chicken breast is also rich in important nutrients like vitamin B6, niacin, phosphorus, and selenium. These nutrients help your body convert food into energy, support healthy metabolism, and play an important role in maintaining strong muscles and overall physical performance. The healthiest ways to prepare chicken breast are by grilling, baking, steaming, or air frying with only a small amount of healthy oil. Avoid deep frying or covering it with heavy, creamy sauces, because extra fat and sodium can reduce many of its health benefits. For even better muscle recovery, pair chicken breast with nutrient-rich foods like sweet potatoes, brown rice, quinoa, or colorful vegetables, creating a balanced meal that supplies protein, complex carbohydrates, vitamins, and minerals your muscles need to recover efficiently. Number 2, eggs. Eggs are one of nature's most complete and powerful protein foods for repairing muscles and supporting recovery after physical activity. Whether you finished a strength workout, gone for a long walk, or simply want to maintain healthy muscles as you age, eggs provide your body with the nutrients it needs to repair damaged muscle fibers and build new muscle tissue. One of the biggest reasons eggs are so effective is that they contain all 9 essential amino acids, making them a complete protein. These amino acids are the building blocks your body relies on to recover from exercise and maintain muscle strength. Unlike many plant-based protein sources, eggs naturally provide these amino acids in the right balance, allowing your body to absorb and use them efficiently. One amino acid found in eggs deserves special attention, and that's leucine. Leucine plays a major role in activating muscle protein synthesis, the natural process your body uses to repair and rebuild muscles after they have been stressed by exercise or daily activities. Research has shown that getting enough leucine can help improve muscle recovery, support strength, and reduce the loss of muscle mass that often happens with aging. This makes eggs an excellent choice for adults who want to stay active and maintain healthy muscles throughout life. Eggs also provide important nutrients like vitamin B12, vitamin D, choline, selenium, and healthy fats. Vitamin B12 supports healthy nerve function and energy production, while vitamin D helps maintain muscle strength and supports normal muscle function. Choline is essential for proper communication between your brain and muscles, helping your muscles contract and perform efficiently during physical activity. The healthiest ways to enjoy eggs include boiling, poaching, or lightly scrambling them with a small amount of olive oil. Avoid deep frying or serving them with processed meats that are high in sodium and saturated fat. For an even better muscle repair meal, pair eggs with oatmeal, whole grain toast, sweet potatoes, or fresh fruit. This combination provides high-quality protein along with healthy carbohydrates that help restore energy stores and give your muscles the nutrients they need to recover efficiently and become stronger over time. Number 3, salmon. Salmon is one of the most powerful protein foods you can eat if your goal is to repair muscles faster, reduce soreness, and recover more effectively after exercise. While many people think of salmon as simply a healthy fish, it offers far more than just high-quality protein. Every serving provides your body with complete protein containing all 9 essential amino acids, which are necessary for rebuilding damaged muscle fibers after workouts or everyday physical activity. Whether you've been lifting weights, walking long distances, or staying active throughout the day, your muscles experience small amounts of wear and tear that need proper nutrition to recover. Salmon supplies the building blocks your body needs to repair those muscles and help them become stronger over time. What truly sets salmon apart is its rich content of omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats have been widely studied for their ability to support muscle recovery by helping reduce exercise-related inflammation. While some inflammation is a normal part of the healing process, excessive inflammation can leave your muscles feeling sore and slow your recovery. Omega-3s help your body manage this response, allowing damaged muscle tissue to heal more efficiently. Many athletes and active adults include salmon in their diet because it supports faster recovery and may reduce muscle stiffness after intense physical activity. Salmon is also an excellent source of vitamin D, vitamin B12, selenium, and potassium. Vitamin D plays an important role in muscle strength and function, while vitamin B12 supports energy production and healthy nerve function. Selenium acts as an antioxidant that helps protect muscle cells from oxidative stress. And potassium supports normal muscle contractions while helping reduce the risk of muscle cramps. Together, these nutrients help your muscles perform better and recover more effectively after exercise. For the healthiest results, prepare salmon by baking, grilling, steaming, or air frying with light seasoning instead of deep frying or using heavy creamy sauces. Pair it with nutrient-rich foods like brown rice, quinoa, sweet potatoes, or steamed vegetables such as broccoli, asparagus, or spinach. This balanced meal provides high-quality protein, healthy fats, complex carbohydrates, vitamins, and minerals that work together to support muscle repair, improve recovery, and help you stay strong and active at any age. Number 4, Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is one of the best protein-rich foods you can include in your diet if you want to repair muscles faster and support long-lasting recovery. Unlike regular yogurt, Greek yogurt is strained to remove much of its liquid, giving it a thicker texture and a much higher protein content. This makes it an excellent choice after a workout or as an evening snack when your body is preparing to repair muscle tissue during sleep. Every spoonful provides high-quality protein that helps rebuild the tiny muscle fibers damaged during exercise, strength training, or even everyday activities like climbing stairs, gardening, or carrying heavy bags. Supplying your muscles with enough protein after physical activity is one of the most important steps in improving recovery and maintaining strength over time. One of the biggest advantages of Greek yogurt is that it naturally contains both whey and casein protein. Whey protein is digested quickly, allowing amino acids to reach your muscles soon after eating and begin the repair process. Casein protein digests much more slowly, providing a steady release of amino acids for several hours. This combination makes Greek yogurt especially valuable because it supports both immediate muscle recovery and long-lasting muscle repair. Many sports nutrition experts recommend foods that contain both fast and slow digesting proteins for more complete recovery after exercise. Greek yogurt is also rich in calcium, vitamin B12, phosphorus, and beneficial probiotics. Calcium plays an essential role in healthy muscle contractions, while vitamin B12 supports energy production and normal nerve function. Phosphorus helps maintain strong bones and contributes to the repair of body tissues, and probiotics support a healthy digestive system, allowing your body to absorb protein and other important nutrients more efficiently. A healthy gut can improve overall nutrition, which directly benefits muscle recovery and performance. For the healthiest option, choose plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt instead of flavored varieties that often contain large amounts of added sugar. You can enjoy it on its own or combine it with fresh berries, sliced bananas, oats, chia seeds, or a handful of nuts for a balanced recovery meal. This combination provides high-quality protein, healthy carbohydrates, fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that work together to reduce muscle soreness, support tissue repair, replenish energy stores, and help your muscles recover efficiently after every workout. Number 5. Cottage cheese. Cottage cheese is one of the most underrated protein foods for muscle repair, yet it offers incredible benefits for anyone who wants to recover faster, build strength, and protect muscle mass as they age. While many people focus on protein shakes or expensive supplements, cottage cheese provides a natural source of high-quality protein that supports muscle recovery just as effectively. It contains all the essential amino acids your body needs to repair damaged muscle fibers after exercise, making it an excellent choice for athletes, active adults, and older individuals who want to maintain healthy muscles. Because your muscles are constantly breaking down and rebuilding after physical activity, giving your body a steady supply of quality protein is essential for long-term strength and recovery. One of the biggest reasons cottage cheese stands out is its high content of casein protein. Unlike whey protein, which is digested quickly, casein is absorbed slowly over several hours. This slow digestion provides your muscles with a steady flow of amino acids, making cottage cheese one of the best foods to eat in the evening before bed. During sleep, your body performs most of its muscle repair and recovery, and having a slow-release protein available helps support this natural process throughout the night. Many sports nutrition experts recommend cottage cheese as a nighttime snack because it may help reduce muscle breakdown while promoting recovery during sleep. Cottage cheese is also rich in important nutrients such as calcium, phosphorus, selenium, and vitamin B12. Calcium supports healthy muscle contractions. Phosphorus helps repair body tissues and maintain strong bones. Selenium acts as an antioxidant that protects cells from oxidative stress. And vitamin B12 plays an important role in energy production and healthy nerve function. Together, these nutrients contribute to better muscle performance and overall recovery. For the healthiest option, choose low-fat or reduced-fat cottage cheese with little or no added sodium. You can enjoy it on its own or pair it with fresh berries, sliced peaches, bananas, or a handful of nuts and seeds for extra vitamins, minerals, and healthy fats. This balanced combination provides long-lasting protein, natural energy, and essential nutrients that work together to support muscle repair, reduce soreness, improve recovery, and help you wake up feeling stronger and ready for the day ahead.